I am back in the lovely Sydney suburb of Balmain. Now, on paper, Fran and Fred's property had everything. It had water views, great location and original features, but just wasn't living up to buyers' expectations. I wonder what it looks like now. A scruffy front yard and a multi-million-dollar price tag do not go together. But what a beautiful transformation. Fresh paint and a tidy up, it looks fantastic. At the risk of hurting feelings, let's just say this living dining area was cosy and really needed a spruce up from the blaze. And that she's done. The kitchen was certainly channeling a bygone era. I'm just not sure which one. But this is truly incredible. Bellissimo. Well, this old dingy study is now a luxurious bathroom. It is absolutely beautiful. And look at that tub, it's to die for. The old bathroom is now a sparkling new laundry. Thanks to some new cabinetry and snazzy tiling, I think I could almost be inspired to do my washing here. This backyard was quite simply unloved, but filled with potential. Thankfully, Charlie has channeled his inner genius and has made this a beautiful outdoor entertaining area. I rarely hand out compliments to the staff, but this transformation is worth recognition. I just hope there's a family looking for a luxury waterfront property they can call home.